Okay, good evening, everyone. Hello, and a very warm welcome to all our Year 6 pupils, teachers, parents, and everyone joining us tonight. I'm Teacher Edlina, and I'll be your moderator for tonight's UPDLP 2026 Year 6 Mathematics webinar. We are very happy to have all of you with us tonight. This webinar is organized by Persatuan Aspirasi Guru Sarawak, PAGS, in collaboration with Majlis Guru Cemerlang, Sarawak. Before we move on, we would like to express our sincere appreciation and gratitude for the generous contribution and support towards webinar UPDLP from MEITD, Pusat Khidmat Parlimen P212 Sibu, and Land Custody and Development Authority, LCDA. Thank you very much for your valuable support and contribution in making this educational initiative possible for our pupils. All right, now let's see who's here with us tonight. Are you ready? If you are ready, type ready in the chat. And while you are there, tell us your name and your school. We would like to know where everyone is joining us from tonight. One quick reminder, please use proper and respectful language in the chat. Keep your messages positive and related to our lesson, and please avoid spamming. Let's make this a fun and comfortable learning space for everyone. Thank you. All right, before our lesson starts, please make sure you have your notebook and stationery ready beside you. Find a comfortable place, stay focused, and most importantly, don't be afraid to try. Remember, mathematics becomes easier when we understand the steps and practice together. So, even if you find some of the questions challenging tonight, just give them a try and follow the lesson closely. Now, let me introduce our panel for tonight. It is my pleasure to welcome Cikgu Sarkawi bin Abu Hassan, the Senior Assistant of Student Affairs from SK Abang Ali Sibu. Tonight, Cikgu Sarkawi will guide us through Section A, focusing on two important topics. Topic 7, Coordinate, Ratio, and Proportion. And Topic 8, Data Handling and Likelihood. So pupils, get your pencils ready, keep your eyes on the screen, and follow Cikgu Sarkawi closely. If you have any questions during the session, feel free to type them in the chat. Don't be shy to ask questions. We are here tonight to help you understand better and become more confident in mathematics. And remember, you don't have to know everything before we start. So, without further ado, let's begin our session. Cikgu Sarkawi, the screen is yours.
Okay, thank you, Cikgu Adlina. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And very good evenings to all in webinars this evening. Okay, we start our webinar in Section A, Topic 7. After that, we go to Topic 8. Okay, we start for this webinar tonight with topic 7, it's coordinates, ratio, and proportion. Is my voice clear? Okay. In year
Yes,
6,
it's clear.
okay, thank you. In year 6, we learn about coordinates. We learn about horizontal and vertical distance between two locations based on given scale. Okay. Maybe in scale they have 1 unit represent 2 km, or 1 unit represent 1 cm, or 1 unit represent 1 km. But you must read, or we must look the scale carefully before we start or we answer the question for this topic. Okay, we just go to first question for subtopic for coordinates. If we look there, the game show a Cartesian plan. They have one town A, and first we look the scale use is 1 unit represent 2 km. Okay, the scale is 1 unit represent 2 km. Okay, the question is state the horizontal distance and vertical distance in km of town A from the origin. Okay, here is origin. Must understand or must know. Here is origin. Okay, now, okay, if we look the horizontal is here, x. Axis x is horizontal and vertical is y. Vertical and horizontal. Okay, now we look horizontal first from origin. Okay, here town A is here. Its coordinate is town A is 1 3. Now from origin town A is 1 unit. 1 unit. Okay, horizontal is 1 unit, and while vertical is 1 2 3. Okay, 3 unit. Now if we look at the scale, 1 unit represent 2 km. It means for horizontal 1 unit is 2 km, and then for vertical is 3 times 2 is 6 km. Okay, or you just write down 2 and 6 only, because up here already they have write down your unit. You just put the answer like that. Okay, now we go to next question. Okay, if this in this question the scale is 1 unit represent 5 km. Represent 5 km. State the place which are located at a distance of 25 km horizontally and 40 km vertically. It means what place is located in this distance. Okay, if we look here, 1 unit is 5 km, 25 divided by 5 equal to what? Okay, 5. It means from origin, look here, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now 40 km divided by 5. 40 divided by 5 is 8. It means vertical is 8 step. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And the place located in a distance 25 horizontally km horizontally and 40 km vertically is, the answer is school. Okay. For the answer, you can do the movement. You can do the movement and you can write down the answer. Or you can do the uh, calculate like this one and then do the movement and then the answer. Okay. Next question. Okay. Okay, scale here 1 cm equal represent 1 kilometer. 1 cm represent 1 kilometer. Okay, if we look here, just now the Cartesian plan using 1 unit represent 2 kilometer or 1 unit represent 1 kilometer. Okay, this they use 1 cm represent 1 kilometer. Okay, if we look there, the question is, Sean want to go to Malik house for revision. What is the distance in km? In km from Sean house to Malik house. Okay. Now, distance. Is distance means total distance in vertical or horizontal. Okay, we look the horizontal first. 1, 2, 3, 4 movement. Horizontal is horizontal distance equal 4 cm. Now, vertical distance equal 1, 2, 3. 3 cm. And the total is 7 cm. And then just now we already know that the scale is 1 cm equal to 1 kilometer. And the answer must be 7 kilometer. Okay. For a coordinate question, maybe they ask you to do like this one. It's easy for you do this one, but you must highlight for this one scale. Look at the scale first, okay, before you answer the question. Okay, next we go to ratio. Okay, in year 6, ratio is we must do the answer in simplest form. Okay, bentuk termudah. Ratio of two quantities in the simplest form. Bentuk termudah. Okay. If you look at the question in your exercise book or activity books, they have more question about ratio. Okay. We go to the first question for ratio tonight. Okay. If we look here, the table show Zahin's and Zikri age. Fira's age is not shown. Okay. Okay, if we look here, Firas is 3 years older than Zahin. Okay. First we calculate 3 years older. It means lebih tua daripada Zahin. It means 11 plus 3. 11 plus 3 equal 14. Okay. Now, state the ratio Firas. Okay, look. The first words there is Firas. Okay, Firas. 2. Zikri. Okay, 2, we do the double dot. Symbol of ratio. And Zikri. After 4 years. Okay. Age after 4 years. It means after 4 years, we plus 4. Plus 4 years, plus 4 years. It means Firas 14 plus 4 is 18. And then Zikri 26 plus 4 is 30. Okay. Now, if we look the timetable of multiplication, which multiplication they have 18 and 30 the answer. Okay. And we use is multiplication 6. Sifir 6. Yeah, sifir 6. Why we didn't use multiplication of 3? Kenapa kita tak guna sifir 3? Boleh juga kan? Ya, boleh. Can. But if we use multiplication of 3, they have 2 more steps we must do to give the answer in simplest form. But if we use multiplication of 6, we can just one step. Okay, we do the divide 6. Okay, 18 divided by 6 equal to 3. And then 30 divided by 6 equal to 5. And then that is the answer. Because this state the ratio. Dia nak dalam bentuk ratio. Baik, bentuk termudah jangan lupa. Don't forget that. Okay, next question. Okay. State the ratio of number of prime number. Okay, prime number, nombor perdana to the composite number. Okay. Pn prime number to composite number. Okay, we must remember what is prime number, what is composite number. Prime number is, what is prime number? Can divide by itself or 1. Okay. Okay, look here. They have 4. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 21 number there. Okay. 2 is prime number. I put P. 4 is composite. 5 prime number. 24 C composite. 80 also same. 54 also same. 11 prime number. 13 prime number. 83. 83 is prime. 57 composite. 75, 90, 79. How about 79? Okay. Okay, difference between composite number and whole number. Whole number is nombor bulat. Composite number adalah salah satu komponen dalam nombor bulat. Composite number maksud dia, it can divide by itself or divide with another number. That is composite number. But whole number is whole number. Whole number is include prime number or composite number. That is include. Termasuk prime number dan composite number. Itu adalah prime, whole number. Whole number maksud dia nombor bulat. Semua nombor. Termasuk perdana and nombor composite. Okay, we continue. 79 is P. Here also P. 71 also P. C, and 53 prime number. 16 composite and Okay. Okay, now, how many prime number? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is it 9? Okay. Prime number, they have 9 numbers. Okay. Composite number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. They have 12 composite number. Okay. Okay. Now, change or give the answer in simplest form. What the answer? What is your answer? 9 and 12. What your answer? We use which multiplication? Okay. 9 and 12, we can use multiplication of 3. Good. We divide 3, and the answer is 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 12 divided by 3 is 4, and the answer is 3 to 4. Okay, next. Yes. The table show the number of buttons in a container. They have red, blue, and yellow. Calculate the ratio of blue button. Okay, blue button is here. Blue is blue to total. Total means all together. Total. Okay, now we know that blue is 8 and all together is, we just total up it, 21 plus 8 is 29 plus 15 equal to 44. Is it correct? Now total is 44. Okay. Calculate the ratio of blue button to total button. Yes. Okay, now, in simplest form, we use which multiplication? 8 and 44. We use, okay, good. Multiplication of 4. We use divide by 4. Here also, divide by 4. 8 divided by 4 is, the answer is 2. Now, 44 divided by 4 equal to 11. Okay. Now, the answer is, the final answer is 2 to 11. Okay. This is the final answer. Okay. Okay, next. We go to next subtopic in unit. Topic 7 is proportion. In our proportion for year 6 is proportionate quantity based on given ratio. Dia bagi dalam bentuk nisbah dan cari quantity. It means that. Okay. The first question. The ratio of mango trees to rambutan trees is in the orchard is 1 to 6. There are 35 mango trees in the orchard. Calculate the total number of fruit. Okay, total number of fruit. Okay, semua, bilangan semua. Okay, now, mango to rambutan. Okay, 1 to 6. Okay, they have 35 mangoes. Okay, mangoes is 35. Now, if mango 35, what the answer for, or what the value of rambutan trees? Okay. Okay, now we look here. The total is, we look here, 1 to 6. What is total 1 and 6? The total is 1 and 6 is 7. Or we do this, okay. Time 35 time 35. Okay, next. Okay, 6 times 35 equal to what? 0, 3, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay. Rambutan trees is 210 and mango is 35. Okay. Now, look at here. Calculate the total. The question is calculate the total number. Okay, now we calculate this one. Okay. Plus 35. Now, the answer is 245. Okay, good. Okay, for this question, we no need to do the answer in ratio because the question needs answer is total number. Maksudnya jumlah pokok di dalam kebun. Okay, just give the answer is 245. Okay, next. Okay, this question is the favorite question. Okay, the game show the distance from the three cities, Dengkir, Kota Warisan, and Nilai. The ratio of the distance from Dengkir to Kota Warisan to the distance from Kota Warisan to Nilai is 5 to 9. Calculate the distance in km, in kilometer, from Dengkir to Kota Warisan. Okay, this is the question. Dengkir to Kota Warisan. Okay, now we look at the ratio first. The first ratio is Dengkir to Kota Warisan, D to KW to Kota Warisan, KW to Nilai. Okay. Dengkir to Kota Warisan is 5 and the distance from Kota Warisan to Nilai is 9. Okay, that in ratio. And if we look here, we know that Kota Warisan to Nilai, they have 36 kilometer distance. Now, what the distance from Dengkil to Kota Warisan? Okay, how we find it? Macam mana kita cari? Okay. Okay, we look here. We look here. Okay, 9. What multiplication? Okay, 9 times what number equal 36? 9 darab berapa sama dengan 36? Okay, 9 times 4. Okay, 9 times 4 equal 36. And then if here time 4, at the right time 4, at the left also we time 4. 5 times 4 equal 20 kilometer. And the answer is 20 kilometer. You can write down just like this one. And you get the answer. Okay, good. I have more the correct answer in chart. Okay, next. Okay. The ratio of Alia pocket money to Farah pocket money is 5 to 2. Calculate Alia pocket money. Okay, now. Alia, Farah. 5 to 2. Okay, the ratio is 5 to 2. If Farah is RM 4 ringgit, what value of pocket money alias pocket money? Okay. Yeah, good. They have already got the answer in chat there. Okay, 5 2 times 2 equal 4. Now here also time 2. 5 times 2 equal RM 10 ringgit. Good. Okay. 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 Okay, we go to another topic. Okay. Another topic is the last topic we learn in year 6 is data handling and likelihood. Okay. If talk about data handling in year 6, we just use one data handling. Is it? Okay. Pie chart. Okay. In year 6, we learn about pie chart. Okay. Okay. Whole circle is 360 degrees. Okay, 360 darjah is have 360 degree. Okay, 360. Okay, here is 180 degrees. Here is 90 degrees. Here is 45 degrees and also 45 degrees. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, now if we write down in percentage, okay, if we write down in percentage, one whole circle equal to 100%. Okay, because some of the question they use percentage, some the question they use degree. Okay, here is 50 degrees, the same equal 150. Okay, 50%. Here is 45%. And here is 12.5%, 12.5%. Or here is 1 over 2. Okay, sorry, didn't see the yellow. Okay, here is 1 over 2. Here is 1 over 4. And here is 1 over 8. Here is also 1 over 8. Okay, they have more notes for this one. Okay, it's okay. We do the. Okay, good. They have some of you give the correct answer in the chat. Okay, next question. Okay, pie chart show the reading material by people in Pusat Sumber SK Pulau Mentari. Okay, hold on. Okay, the total of 150 reading material were bought by people. Okay, calculate the number of people's favorite reading material that have been more. Okay, which one is the favorite there? Which one is the favorite? Okay, the favorite reading material is fiction. They have 50% of the pie chart. Okay, now how we write down the answer? Okay, we calculate 50% times 150 equal to what the answer? Okay, dop, dop, dop. Okay, now 15, 5 times 15 equal to, yeah, good, 75. Okay, if this question in section A, this question is give you 2 marks. Soalan 2 markah. Okay, or some of them they have question 3 marks. Okay, next another question. Okay, the table show the number of year 6 people in 4 schools: SK Batu 666, Langgar Kua, DJN, Langgar Tajam. The total number of year 6 people in the 4 school is 600. Complete the pie chart below based on the table given. Okay, if the question needs you complete the pie chart, you must write down according the sample here. It means if the sample here, just write down the school and the number of people, you must follow the sample. Okay, now here, what should we do? Okay, the biggest number of people. Okay, SK Nagakua 75. Okay, good. SK Nagakua, SK Nagakua is 75 people. And then here is SK Batu 36. They have 300 people. Okay, just follow the symbol here. Don't only put the name school or the number of people. Jangan letak nama sekolah atau jumlah student sahaja. Kalau boleh, kalau di sini the contoh adalah nama sekolah dengan murid, awak mesti ikut yang ini. If you didn't follow this, maybe the question or maybe the answer or maybe the point is 0. Incorrect answer. Okay? Okay, next. Okay. Pie chart show the type of jobs of the resident in the housing area. Okay. The total number of residents is 600. Total number is 600. Calculate the number of residents whose work as a teachers. Okay. Teacher is here. Okay. Here is use 1/8 or 12.5% or 45 degrees. Okay. You can use any information here. Awak boleh guna mana-mana saja. Okay, which one you want to use? Is it inflation, percentage, or degree? Which one? Yeah. Some of you can using fraction. Okay, now if you use fraction 1/8 times 600, okay, equal to, okay, you add 756 45 40, and the answer is 75. Or you can use divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. How? Okay, 600 divided by 2 equal to 300. Now 300 divided by 2 is 150. Here is 300. Here is 150. And then 150 divided by 2 equal 75. Here is 75. 75. Okay. You can use any method to find the answer. Here also can. Using this method also can. It's up to you, or it's up how you want, or how the teachers teach you. Okay. Ah, the next question, or the last subtopics in our year 6 class, is likelihood. Okay. In likelihood, we learn about certain, we learn about impossible, equally likely, more likely, less likely, likely to occur, unlikely to occur. Okay. But if this question, the answer must give a reason. Mesti ada sebab kenapa awak pilih the answer. Okay. Okay. Are you okay just now? No, okay. Okay, kita sambung ya. We continue. Okay. Aina is asked to write number between 1 and 12. Number 1 and 12. What is the likelihood that Aina writes a 2-digit number? Give a reason. Okay, what is likelihood? Okay, less likely. Okay, they have you. Okay. Less likely because a 2-digit number is more less than a 1-digit number. Okay. Okay. Can. Equal likely. Why equal likely? Okay. If we look here, write a number between 1 until 12. 1 and 12. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. 2-digit number. Which one? 2-digit number only. They have 2-digit number here only. They have only 3 2-digit number. It means 10, 11, and 12. It means less likely. Why? Because there are only 3 2-digit number. Okay, you can write down your answer like this one. Less likely because there are only 3 2-digit number. Okay, sebab kecil kemungkinan sebab hanya terdapat 3 nombor 2 digit. Okay, same time like that. Okay, but I look at the comment. It's okay. Can. Jawapan anda pun boleh saya terima, boleh cikgu terima juga. They have, because there are only 3 2-digit numbers and more 9 1-digit numbers. Okay, good. And then because there are more single-digit number than 2-digit number. Okay, can. Less likely because there are less 2-digit number. Okay, also can. Your answer also can. Okay. Now, next question. Okay. The table show the number of mangoes, orange, and chocolate. Okay, mangoes 60, orange 25, and then chocolates 25% more than the number of mango. Okay. Now, the first answer, we must find what here. What the value of number of 4 chocolate? Apa jumlah untuk coklat? 25%. Okay, we find first. 25 over 100 times 60. 1, 4 equal 60 divided by 4 equal what? 15. Now, here is 15 plus 60 equals 75. Now, look at the question. State the likelihood that an orange is taken out. Okay? Likelihood because the value of orange is lowest. Okay, good. Okay, less likely. Sama juga. Kurang kemungkinan. Less likely. Because, okay, some of you already give your answer. The value of, okay, or because the number or the value is the same. The number of orange flavor sweet is the lowest. Sebab apa? Sebab perisa orange adalah yang paling rendah. Okay? Okay, good. Necessarily, okay, the lowest. Okay, good. Okay, next. The delegate show a book exhibition the assignment that will be held in a public hall. Okay. Pameran buku. Date Friday 11 March 2022 until 15 March 2022. Hold on. Where your answer? So is my answer is correct? Yeah. Rosmina Lenti. Okay, correct. The answer is correct. Okay, how about this one? What is likelihood Aiman goes to the book on Wednesday? Give the reason. Okay. Apa kemungkinan Aiman untuk pergi ke pameran buku pada hari Rabu? Impossible because the event is end at 15 March. Yeah. Good. Any answer? Certain. More likely. Impossible. Certain. Impossible. Yes. Impossible. Why? Give your answer. Give your reason. So there, give the reason why you're choosing impossible. Yeah, Wednesday is 16 March. Okay. Because here is 11 is Friday, 12 is Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday and Tuesday. It means 15 March. Oh, sorry. 15 March is on Tuesday. Okay. Now, what is likelihood? Impossible. Mustahil. Impossible because The book starts on Friday and on Tuesday. Okay, impossible. Yeah, yeah. Okay, already ended on Wednesday. Good, because Wednesday is on 16 March. Okay, can impossible because 15 March is on Tuesday. Yeah, good. All the good give the correct answer. Okay, it means if you look if the question for likelihood, your answer must give the reason. Mesti ada sebab. Kenapa awak pilih? Why you choose that answer and give the reason. Okay? Okay. Any answer or any question for tonight topic? Ada soalan untuk topik malam ini? Before I pass back to the moderator, we look first. Okay. Okay. Nothing. I hope these two topic for tonight you can learn. You can I get your number telephone?
Okay.
Okay. If they have no question, I pass back to Cikgu Alina. Thank you and
Okay,
good
thank you.
y'all.
Thank you, Cikgu
UPDLP.
Sarkawi,
Okay.
for answering
Okay.
all the questions and for the sessions tonight. Okay, now people,
Okay.
don't leave yet. It's your time for your e-attendance. Okay, please scan the QR code displayed on the screen. Okay, or you may use the link given in the chat and enter tonight's attendance code, Math A. Okay, I repeat, Math A. Okay, remember to submit your attendance for every session because our loyal viewers will have a chance to win exciting prizes from us. Okay, before we end, on behalf of PAGS and Majlis Guru Cemerlang Sarawak, we would like to thank our media support partners, Riang Mindat Ceria, cikgugraphic.com, cikguayu.com, and Teacher Collection for supporting UPDLP Sarawak. To all teachers, we also invite you to join us in Pertubuhan Aspirasi Guru Sarawak and be part of our growing community of educators. And one last thing, if you have younger siblings, children, or pupils in year 4, do check out the Matrix Pembelajaran Year 4 or MPT4 exercise book. The purchase link is available in the chat. Once again, thank you, Cikgu Sarkawi, and thank you to all our teachers, parents, and Year 6 people for joining us tonight. Keep learning, keep practicing, and we hope to see you again in our next UPDLP session. I'm Teacher Adelina, your moderator for tonight. Good night, everyone. Goodbye.